Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Greetings, Galactic Earth Angelics of the 144. I am Paul White Gold Eagle from PrimeDisclosure.com. We have a very special transmission for you today at the dawn of our most powerful galactic portal of the Double 222 portal. This is a special broadcast shared by our divine brother of the light, Michael Love. The Earth Alliance Solar Alert, massive sunspot turning towards Earth. A Pleiadian Light Forces space weather broadcast to the starseeds of Earth. Great one. Inside chatter from Earth Alliance members from around the globe today indicates a high probability that a major solar event will occur in the coming Earth days. Massive and highly active sunspot AR2936, 369 code of Nikola Tesla, free energy, which has increased in size, is turning towards Earth as we speak, and in a few days planet Earth will be directly exposed to the potential of this huge unstable solar region. This monster sunspot is the one that toasted 40 Starlink satellites, sending them falling back to Earth 2 weeks ago. AR2936 is also the sunspot that erupted on the backside of the Sun on February 15th, sending an incredible galactic-sized shockwave throughout the entire solar system. The solar blast on February 15th was not only the largest X-class measured in the solar cycle, it was the largest solar flare ever recorded, period. AR2936 fired an obscured M5 class warning shot this morning at approximately 4:34 UTC, and all eyes from the sky to the ground are focused on this monster solar region. A direct light forces data stream from this morning reports that Delta forces in Earth's solar system are monitoring this solar region closely, and for once, all Earth-based solar observatories and other groups are watching as well, and have moved into a heightened mode of operation. The Earth Alliance has issued a critical space weather and solar event watch for the next 14 Earth days as this massive sunspot comes around to align with Earth. The primary questions presented to light leaders today about this situation are as follows. Question: what are the implications for Earth and humanity if a dangerous super flare hits the planet? Answer: the correct answer is it won't and it can't. What can hit the Earth is an intelligently controlled level of cosmic light that would be just the right amount to enhance the DNA of Earth. If the flare were large enough, it is likely that all human dormant DNA strands would be reactivated near instant. Major damage to planet Earth or humanity as a whole from any source is not allowed to happen at this time, due to the planetary ascension process that is underway on Earth. Very advanced beings in Earth's solar system right this moment are in absolute control of the power of any solar or other major event that affects Earth, so be assured there is absolutely no thing to fear. Here is an Earth Alliance related fact for you. A similar situation happened back near the end of 2018 when a potentially Earth-damaging super flare leaped off the Sun towards Earth, and the shockwave was literally absorbed by massive light crafts docked around the Sun. Every major solar observatory on Earth filmed close-ups of this event, as well as the crafts, and of course this information was withheld from the humans of Earth. Question: could this be the grand solar flash? Answer: yes, it absolutely could be. Question: will it be? Answer: you will know in less than 1 second if a mega flare flashes off the Sun towards Earth. Great one. The light leaders of Earth are filled with such excitement at this time, and they have incredible hope for the future of humanity. Our very purpose for coming to Earth is to assist humanity in their grand evolutionary process, and when the great light comes, we shall be first-hand witnesses to this grand event. Ancient civilizations of Earth were able to see into Earth's modern timeline, and they speak of the time of the sixth sun, the return of spectacular central sunlight to Earth, leading humanity and Earth into the Golden Age. Ancient indigenous prophecies say a flash of white magnetic light will be ejected from the sun towards Earth. In our modern time, transforming Earth into a paradise and its beings into gods. The ancient Lemurians said the Golden Age would appear just after Earth entered the astrological age of Aquarius. Earth moved back into the age of Aquarius on 12/21/2021, and the time of the sixth sun has come. Furthermore, the ancient writings of the Great White Brotherhood say, every 26,000 years the sun moves to its deepest position in the photon belt and aligns with the galactic core. Directly in the center of the galactic core is a blinding, fifth-dimensional star or sun called the central sun. It is called the black sun, the second sun, or the invisible sun. When these two suns align, a powerful transference of energy occurs, and Earth's sun begins having strong reactions to the exotic light waves emanating from this Milky Way core star. This 26,000-year cosmic cycle began again on 12/21/2012, and as of 2/22/2022, the sun is reaching heightened levels of activity. The Pleiadians have said it is known that a strong X-class flare is the trigger event that turns off the 3D matrix for good and reactivates the dormant DNA strands of the beings of Earth, causing them to ascend to the new fifth-dimensional Earth. Dear one, it is indeed an exciting time to be alive on planet Earth as we watch the heavens with wonder. Our hearts are filled with it, knowing that something big is about to happen at any moment. When things are just right, we shall see a blinding light coming to Earth that will transmute everything in this world to a much higher order. Planetary ascension symptoms reports have been in an elevated state for over 30 days straight now, due to heightened solar activity, and major DNA activations are occurring among the starseeds of planet Earth. Let us know what ascension symptoms you may be experiencing at this time. Divine blessings and Godspeed, Michael and the Pleiadians from 5DEarthProject.com. Now I will clarify what is a seemingly anomaly before we part ways today. What many call the event occurred in 2011 when all the timelines merge into one coherent ascension organic timeline. What we are calling the solar flash is the culmination of the waves that emanated from this merging of all the timelines. It is resolving all interference patterns, what the Hathors call the chaotic node. Being that we live in a world of paradox, where emptiness is form and form is emptiness, we must look at this event, this experience, this ascension process from all dimensions, all angles, and make clear within our heart and mind what this truly means to all life in all realms and dimensions. And meditate while holding your vision of the new earth, of heaven upon earth. What does it mean for you? And keep expanding and refining your vision until full compression breakthrough. This is the solar flash. When consciousness itself experiences in a linear way the full compression breakthrough, which is supernova consciousness, full and total expansion into all timelines and dimensions in an instant. This is a singularity, 0-point energy. The still white magnetic light at the center of all things. Meditate on this concept, total stillness. Turn off the internal dialogue and shift your awareness to the second attention, the unknown, here now. This will open the eyes of your spirit, and you will come to know all things in this now moment, for there is only one truth. This is the I Am presence that is eternal and never changes. What you experience in this realm, in this dream, in this timeline, is a manifestation, the motion of the I Am presence. This is Christos consciousness, the consciousness of Christ, of love. This is Buddha consciousness, the awakening into love. We fall asleep all for the joy of waking up. We descend for the pleasure, the bliss of the ascension. 37 into 73, heaven on earth. Thank you for joining us today, beloved being of light. Be sure to join us tonight for our full transmissions, and please do us a favor. Leave a comment below, share this video with your teams and tribes, and if you'd like to support us in our work and mission and find value in our teachings and would like to help us continue this work, you can make a pledge or donation at our links at eaglelovecondor.com. Have a most beautiful, blessed ascension journey and on this 2/21/2022 into the powerful 22/22/22 portal of full ascension and expansion. Keep walking gently your sacred path with heart, with peace and love in every step, and keep shining your light brightly into the night. The eagle and the condor love you all. Namaste.